Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions, Bangalore. The Panchasheel policy refers to the 5 principles of the peaceful coexistence that became the foundation of India's foreign relations during the 1950s. These principles were jointly formulated by India's Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and China's Premier Zhou Enlai in 1954 to govern the bilateral relations between the two nations. Panchasheel, meaning 5 virtues, was aimed at fostering peace and mutual respect, particularly as both countries had recently gained independence and sought to avoid conflict. The 5 principles are mutual respect for each other's territorial integrity and sovereignty, mutual non-aggression, mutual non-interference in each other's internal affairs, equality and mutual benefit, peaceful coexistence. Initially, the Panchasheel Agreement was signed to regulate trade and interactions between India and the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. The principles were later adopted in broader international diplomacy, advocating for peaceful resolutions to conflicts and promoting the sovereignty of the newly independent nations in the Asia and Africa. The Panchasheel policy represented India's commitment to non-alignment and peaceful coexistence, reinforcing its stance against imperialism and colonialism. It was seen as a means to build solidarity among the developing nations and create framework for global peace during the Cold War era. However, the Sino-Indian War of 1962 severely tested Panchasheel as tensions over the border escalated into open conflict. Despite this setback, the principles of Panchasheel continue to influence India's diplomatic philosophy, emphasizing the importance of respect, sovereignty, and peaceful negotiation in the global affairs. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news.